أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذ تبرأ الذين اتبعوا من الذين اتبعوا ورأوا العذاب وتقطعت بهم الأسباب. وقال الذين اتبعوا لو أن لنا كرة فنتبرأ منهم كما تبرأوا منا كذلك يريهم الله أعمالهم حسرات عليهم وما هم بخارجين من النار. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I recited Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 166 and 167. In these two ayat, Allah tells us about the people who are following other than Allah, their Lord. Other than Allah mean maybe their own desires of their nafs, maybe desires of shaitan, and maybe the others like idols, statues, trees, stars, or different things, or even the other human beings. For them, they follow. So, those are because in this world you can see two type of things. One is followers, other is to be followed. The followers and the other who is to be followed. So these are two things only. Maybe the leaders, maybe the government officials, maybe some tribe chiefs. So those people and some people who are just to find other one capable of fulfilling the needs. So this way that person becomes so much favorite, and the love of that person becomes above the love of Allah. And this type of situation happens when the person is just to do something wrong, like which is not in the limit of Islam. So just to obey that person, so the person is to commit that type of thing also which is outside Islam. So then the relationship in Islam finish, and relationship with Allah and Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam finish, and relationship with that person sustain, and that person comes at a place of the worship like God or Allah. So that place that person is at the day of judgment. So those people who will be followers or who are followed, so they will be before each other, and there will be the discussion, the open discussion among themselves. And the people who were followers and who were to be followed, so that day some people like who are you can say the priest, or who are like preachers, or who are scholars or sheikh or some, but they are not really following the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, because the person we call the sheikh is that person who is directly following Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So his all action and deed and iman is under the Quran or Sunnah, and he is the best example of that one. If a person is not having this type of quality, then that sheikh is just sheikh of this worldly things. The sheikh needs money, sheikh needs some other benefit from the people. So, and also say the people that uh, we are responsible for you at the day of judgment. We will save you from the torment, punishment, and will take you to Jannah, and don't worry about anything. But actually, at the day of judgment, when these type of people will be before Allah, and they will see the punishment in the form of fire of the hell, and then they will have this belief that now their real place is Jahannam. So the hell is their real place. When they will see that one, then their relationship with the followers will finish, and then the followers will see them also, and they have no relationship with them because they were thinking they will take us to the Jannah, but they will have nothing because their place is in the hell. And then they will say, oh, if Allah will send us again in this world, we will have no relationship with you at all. Similar situation will be with the other also people who are desires, who are the following the desires of the desires, like the nafs or shaitan. So the people who are the followers of shaitan, followers of the nafs, and followers of the desires, and followers of the leaders or some other people, so that the relationship with them will be finished, and the problem will be will take them to the hell, and then hell will be the place forever, and punishment will continue for them. And the other thing is that their deeds will be shown to them, and they will feel so much sorry and sad upon that one, and they regret upon that so much that they have they have no chance to come back in this world. So Allah express all these things in these ayat. We read this one. Allah said, is the barra allazina, is the barra is the barra allazina, when they will disown allazina, those who nattabi'u, who were followed. So who were followed, min allazina, from those nattabi'u, who followed them. So it means when the people who were followed, they will break up all type of relationship with those who were their followers. Wara'awul azaba, and they will see the punishment. Because when they will see the punishment, they will see the azab of Allah, and they will have no chance. The relationship with the followers, they will finish. وَتَقَطَّعَتْ, and the relationship will be cut off. Bihimul asbab, with asbab mean every type of relationship, or from where or which were the trend of relationship, all types of relationships will be finished, and among the followers and the followed. So that will happen there. So Allah say this is the situation. So this is a best ayat to tell us that we have to follow the footsteps of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the Sunnah of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We have to follow Quran or Sunnah. We have to follow Sharia of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Even if a person who is the follower of Sharia of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and a good example of following Quran and Sunnah, and that person is also best friend. If we have some problems, we have to get help from that person. The following of that person will lead us to the right way. But if a person who is just working just for this world and the worldly things, and is greedy, or want to show the performance that I am the superpower, I am something like this, and even that is any nation or any person or any power or anything. So those things are those people. If we are just to follow them, then we will go with them in the hell. So that is the thing. So the following is very important. That is the lesson in this ayat, that we have to follow. If we want to follow someone, we have to follow that one which is really the person who is really under the Sharia of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. His all Iman and Amal and everything is according to the Sharia of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That person is the best person to be followed. But otherwise, the other people who will follow, even the some sheikh who are for the worldly things, if the person is following those one, and they will have nothing concern with the Jannah or paradise, their place is hell, and automatically the other people who follow them, they will also find their place in the hell. And there will be the discussion which is explained in this one also. So this way, the some people, they work for the leaders for the community or some other people. So even the tribes, they are just to help for the chief of the tribe. Even the person is just to say anything. The people they follow, they are not to look at the Islamic education. So those people at the day of judgment will with them, so they will find the place in hell. So this is Allah tells us in this one is tabarra allazina nattubu min allazina tabau. Allah said the people who were when the people who were followed and the people who were followers. So they the people who will followed, they will disown to the people who were followers, so they will have no any relation with them. Wara'awul azaba, when they will see the punishment or azab. Wataqatta'at bihimul asbab, and every type of relationship between them will be broken. Waqala allazina, and here is the Allah tells us about the people who were the followers, what they will say. وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ اتَّبَعُوا, and people who were followers, they will say, لَوْ أَنَّا لَنَا كَرَّةٍ, if Allah returned us towards this the land or towards this dunya again, فَنَتَبَرَّأَ, then we will disown, we will finish the relationship, every type of relationship, minhum, with them. Kama tabarra'u, as they have finished relationship minna, with us. They will say that now, as they have finished relationship with us now in this time when we are at the day of judgment, they have finished all the relationships, they are disowning us at the day of judgment now. But if Allah gave us time to go back to this dunya, then we will also will have no any relationship with them, and we will disown these people also. So but there will be no chance, because Allah will not send back to this dunya again. So this way Allah said, kazalika yurihimullahu, kazalika, this way Allah will show them amalahum, their deeds. Allah will show them their deeds, hasaratin alayhim, and they will regret for them, and they will feel sorry for them, and they will be hopeless about that one, because there will be nothing and only sorry and sad situation. And Allah said, Wamahum, and for them there will be no Bekharijina minan nar, so they will not be come out from the nar Jahannam, and nar mean the fire of the hell. So they will stay there, and they will not come out from that one, from the nar, from the fire. So this is the situation Allah tells us in this. So actually these two ayat, they tells us the situation of the day of judgment, Yawmul Qiyamah. And because at that day, the people who have done any type of shirk, so all those people, the shirk mean some people, they were also worshipping, they were obedient to the statues and idols and stars and moon and sun, and also the shaitan, and also some were the followers of some leaders, and some were followers of the tribe chief, some were followers of some other people, even some were the followers of their nafs and their desires. So everything will be before them, and those things because they followed, and those who were followed, they will break up all types of relationship that day. And because their position will be, because they will see the torment, they will see the punishment of the hell, and this way they will break up all relationship with the followers, and there will be nothing at all, only the shame and shy and sadness. and they will, when they will be shown their deeds, they will have nothing, only they will be very sad. So all the the chiefs or the people who were followed, or the things they followed, and those will come there, and they will also will break the relationship. They will say, we have not said them like the statues, how the statues they say to the people that worship me. So they will say that these people they made without any, we have not said to them. Even the shaitan, people who are the following the shaitan and their desires of the shaitan at the day of judgment will say to Allah that I have not motivated this person, I have not persuaded this person, I have just said to this person, do this one, it is better for you. But I have not made his hands or his body parts to use his body parts, and everything was under his control or under her control, and they have done it automatically, so they are responsible for that one. So they should go to have a punishment now, because they have done themselves. So because I was just to motivate them, just told them that do this one, but they have done with their own body parts, they used them, and they used their mind, they used their body parts to have a full action, the this bad deed. So now they should face the punishment. So this way, the all types of people who were followed at the day of judgment, they will have a, like people who were just to follow those one who are making them away from Islam, and even some people they are just to follow the kuffar, and they follow the custom traditions of those one, and even the hypocrites and some other people. So when they are just to follow those one, leaving Islamic their education or the rights and responsibilities what the Islam is is bound to them, so they were just to leave that one and passing and crossing the limit of that one. They are just to follow the kufar and the custom traditions of those people, and the custom traditions are the desires of the munafiqeen, or even the media, which is the this time is also destroying the mentality of the people, making them away from their religion and away from Allah, and that is also a like a their lord, and people they are just following them. Some people they follow the media as their Allah, astaghfirullah, and they every time they are that is in their pocket, or they are in the form of mobile phone, in the form of computer, in the form of different devices. They are just to look and help with that, but they have no time for prayer, no responsibility about Islamic rights and responsibilities what they have. They are not to follow that, but they are just to follow that one which comes in their mind. Some people they are just to follow the desires, as it has been expressed in Surah Jasiyah. Allah said that the people who are just to follow the desires, and those people for them their Allah is their desires what they follow, and Allah will break up the relationship with those people, and then those people will find no one guide except Allah, and Allah stamp their heart and their ears and in the and cover before their eyes, and they can't get the real guidance even having the knowledge of Islam. And those people, Allah said, these people who are the followers of their desires, and they will have no relationship with Allah. So this way, because the love of Allah is the supreme, even if a person who has the love of some other thing more than Allah, so that person if die in this condition, so then is we can't say what will happen to that person, because the supreme thing that Allah wants, that is the love of Allah in everyone more than everything in the world. If we love Holy Prophet ﷺ, that is also a love of Allah, because the Prophet ﷺ promotes the person's love towards the love of Allah, because he is the promoter, he is the best guide for us to connect with Allah. So that is the thing. So we have to look if we are having these type of sinful activities, or we are following some people who are not really according to Islamic point of view. They are making our life away from Islam. So we have to cut off the relationship with them just now here. Ashirku zulmun azim. Because there is the partnership with Allah, or shirk is the biggest zulm and big evil also, and that is not forgivable. But at the day of judgment, uh, because that comes in Surah Zukhruf, ayat number 38, those people who were just to follow the other one, who were not right, at the day of judgment they will say, Qala ya laita baini wa bainaka bodal mashrikin. So at that day they will say, oh Allah, make a distance between them and with us so much long that east and west. So, but there will be nothing. So that is only in dunya. Now we have to look this one. Even you can see in the governments of different Muslim countries, and they are bound, they bend before the American, different other countries just uh, mm, for the fear of their government, but not having the fear of Allah. So that is the main thing, because a problem, even they are the mm, the own, they have the people, like they are responsible for the lives of the people for which they are governing. So the government, if they are not giving the facilities or responsibilities to the people, and even they are killing, or they are violating within the country, and just to save their own government, at the day of judgment they will be also answerable to Allah, and will have a problem there. And even people who are just to follow them, and they will be in a trouble also, because if they will go into the hell, those people who are followers, they will also go with them. So this way, in this world, you can see, if you are working under, even you are working in a office, if the office person is just to use the bribery, and use the injustice and bad methods, and just to promote his efficiency before the higher officials, and with that he gets the help from the lower staff. If the lower staff is just to follow them, and help in bribery, help in the every way, so that person also, who is the follower and who is to be followed, both at the day of judgment will be in trouble, and the punishment in the form of fire possible. So we must be honest every time, in every point, with our iman and with our deed. So because Allah is everywhere, every time, and Allah is watching us, because wallahu basirum bil ibad. So Allah is watching everyone every time. So we must understand that at the day of judgment, everything will be before us. Even if we have done a little mistake also, that will be shown to us also. So all type of things, so we must be careful in this world, because day of judgment, Allah is the when the people will be held before Allah. So that is the dangerous situation, because Allah will not save them also, because of the deeds the person has done. So the Allah will do justice on the basis of the performance of the person, what the person has done in this world. Inna batsha rabbika la shadid. So that day, if the person has done wrong things, then the person will be in trouble also there. Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he said that when a person is just to favor other person, and also swears that I will help you, and then follow the person also, at the day of judgment, that person will be with them, like man tashabbaha qawma fahuwa minhum. So people who will follow the any nation or any person, so in the custom traditions, in the following the desires of the person, even not having in mind their own religion, like, and no responsible and to the Islam. So then automatically the person who will be following the custom traditions of the other people who are outside of Islam, and those people will be in trouble also. Prophet ﷺ will not accept that person in the ummah, and Allah will throw that person into the punishment. So that is the important point. We have to look at this one at this time, what we are doing here now. Kul in kuntum tuhibbun Allah. In Holy Quran, Allah said, and say the people, they if they want that Allah love to them, fattabi'uni, they must follow the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. If people they are just to follow the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, yuhibbukumullah, Allah will start loving them. وَيَغْفِرْ لَكُمْ, and Allah يَغْفِرْ لَكُمْ ذُنُوبَكُمْ, and Allah will forgive the sins of those peoples, evils of those people. وَاللَّهُ غَفُورٌ Rahim. So Allah is forgiver of the sins, and Allah is merciful. So that type of message comes also in Surah Ankabut, Surah Qasas, Surah Anam, and different other surah also. But the main thing is that if we are just to follow, we must look if we are following the right or wrong, and what is the right responsibilities we have, and what we are fulfilling. So we have to look that one also. Is it possible, or we are doing the right way, everything according to Islam, or just going crossing the limit of Islam and going into the shirk or something which is forbidden in Islam. So day of judgment will be difficult for us, because small things will be before us what we have done in this world. So that is the message in this ayat, in these two ayat. And also Allah warned those people who are just to follow others, who are following like other than Allah, and they have to revive in their life, and they have to look what is the real light, Islam, and they have to come accept Islam and be good person throughout the life, and they must be responsible, because rights and responsibilities, if we are just to follow completely, at the day of judgment everything will be fine for us. But if everything we have done according to Quran and Sunnah, Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.